Hey guys, today we're going to be making a Blend Above soup mix. This one happens to be the gumbo. Blend Above is one of the companies that Helping Hands for Cruising uses for their fundraisers. They're a company that makes spreads, dips, and dressings. So let's give this one a try. This is the Blend Above Gumbo Soup Mix.
First, we brown up some sweet Italian sausage and make sure that it's fully cooked through. Next we add 5½ cups of cold water and bring it to a full boil. Once the water comes to a boil, we add the package of the gumbo soup mix and cook on low for 20 minutes. While the soup mix simmers, we make a roux with olive oil and flour and cook it on low. Cook the roux until it becomes caramel colored and set it aside. After the soup has simmered, it's time to add the roux to the soup mix. Stir it in completely. Next, add a fully cooked chicken breast. Add the sausage we cooked earlier. And some large, deveined shrimp with the shells removed. Bring it to a boil and then let it simmer until the gumbo thickens. Once the gumbo has thickened and the shrimp is fully cooked, it's time to serve. Doesn't that look delicious?
Okay, so this is the Blend Above Gumbo Soup. Took about an hour to make. We put shrimp in it and sausage. I didn't have any casing sausage, so I got the ground sausage that was pre-made, and I made meatballs or sausage balls. Put those in it, and also has about a pound of chicken breast, a large chicken breast. So we put that in it. Like I said, it took about an hour. So here it is, and we're gonna give it a try. So let's try this out, see what it's like. It's very hot. It's very tasty. It's got a bite to it, not too crazy. I would say it could use a little bit of salt, but I think that's a personal preference. It tastes really good. For a soup mix that came out of, a bag, it's something you make, I think it's very good. You should all give it a try. This one's the gumbo. They have several different soup mixes, so I think we're probably gonna have a go at a couple more. We'll order some of those through the mail and see how the other soups are. So a Blend Above is very good.